Hello mi gente! With this overall situation, let's take this opportunity to return to the present and improve our overall health and well-being by replacing a lot of the processed food product we're getting at the supermarket for some organic, wholesome recipes that we can make at home. Although turmeric has recently emerged as a powerful superfood, its uses and benefits have been utilized in India for centuries. The key compounds in turmeric are called curcuminoids. Curcumen itself is the most active ingredient and the most important. As a polyphenol, curcumin has several advantages to health. It's a strong antioxidant. It has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Studies also demonstrate that turmeric may play a role in preventing and treating arthritis by helping to desensitize a specific pain receptor in your body. And the combination of curcumin and pepperine are a powerful inflammation-fighting duo that can help reduce discomfort and pain. Further studies point to curcumin and pepperine having protective effects against additional cancers, including prostate, pancreatic, colorectal, and more. One main challenge is that curcumin on its own is not well absorbed into the body. When curcumin is combined with pepperine, the main ingredient in black pepper, then mixed with heat and with a soluble fat, it increases the absorption into the body by 2,000%. Pepperine makes it easier for curcumin to pass through the intestinal wall and into your bloodstream and slows down the breakdown of curcumin by the liver, increasing its blood levels. I loves my coffee, and I created this recipe to utilize the superfood benefits of turmeric to make it even more delicious and nutritious. These are the ingredients you will need for my Coconut Tumeric Super Creamer recipe. You'll need turmeric, coconut oil, black pepper, coconut milk, and vanilla. Okay, peel the turmeric, then slice it and dice it up. Mix it into hot coconut oil and simmer for a minute. Then add some black pepper. I just ground up these fresh peppercorns and made this nice powder, real fragrant. You don't want to overpower the flavor of the end product, so just add enough to activate the curcuminoids. Now add the coconut milk, stir, and add the vanilla. Now allow the mixture to cool down, then pour it into the blender and mix the ingredients until they are smooth and liquefied. How beautiful is this color? Pour it into a glass bottle and store it in the fridge. Mix it into your coffee and use it as a cooking base for curries and a large variety of recipes. Get creative and enjoy.